Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change mockup on Printful. The first thing I'd like you to do is to log into your Printful dashboard and click on Stores from the sidebar or in the center that click on My Product. Once you click on My Products, it's going to take you to the My Products page, and from the My Products page, check the top where you have the name of your store. Click on the drop down. If you have multiple stores, select the store where your product lives. And once you select the store, it's going to display all of the products in your store. Now, check the product that you want, your product list, and click edit. And it's going to walk you right into the product editor page. Now, select all variants you'd like to update, or just go ahead and click on bulk edit, and here click on change print file. Once you select change print file, you enter the design maker. In the design maker, I'm going to show you what to do. It's stretching the paint brushes, it's cleaning paint brushes, it's doing vector magic, it's doing a couple of things, and we're in here. So select proceed to mockups. Yes, click yes, continue. It's going to walk you to the next set of page, the next page rather, or its next set of pages, where you will be asked to choose how you want your mockup to be done, whether you want to, okay, error code. So you'll be asked whether you want to create a mockup using the existing mockup template, or you want to customize your own mockup. So just go ahead and select the one, the mockup template. And once you click on that, it's going to take you to a window where you can now select fresh mockup styles, either flat lay. So from here, you can select choose mockups, or you can now select fresh mockup styles, or the flat lay, model, short, lifestyle scenes, whatever suits your brand. And once you're happy with your selection, hit